South Korea's parliament has impeached President Yoon Suk Yeol over his controversial martial law declaration earlier this month. In a dramatic turn of events, Yoon's powers are now suspended and his political future hangs in the balance. On Saturday, the National Assembly passed the impeachment motion with an overwhelming 204 to 85 majority. According to the reports, Yoon's duties as president were suspended immediately after the impeachment document was delivered to him and the Constitutional Court. The Constitutional Court has now up to 180 days to decide Yoon's fate, whether to dismiss him as president or restore his powers. If removed from office, a national election for his successor must take place within 60 days. Meanwhile, Yoon has been banned from leaving the country as authorities investigate whether he and others involved in the martial law declaration committed rebellion and abuse of power. Yoon could face severe penalties including life imprisonment or even the death penalty if convicted. While presidents enjoy immunity from most criminal prosecutions, allegations of rebellion or treason are exceptions. Several of Yoon's top officials are already in custody, including his defense minister, the police chief, and Seoul's Metropolitan Police head. Investigations against other senior government officials and military officials are ongoing. The crisis began on December 3rd when Yoon declared martial law, sending troops and police to block parliament from voting on his decree. The impeachment motion stated Yoon's action violated the constitution. Yoon dismissed allegations of rebellion, calling his actions an act of governance. He accused the opposition Democratic Party of undermining his administration and pledged to fight what he described as anti-state force. However, Democratic Party leader Lee Jae-young called Yoon's statement a mad declaration of war against the people. The martial law decree, which lasted only 6 hours, triggered massive protests. Tens of thousands took to the streets in Seoul, demanding Yoon's resignation and arrest. Smaller groups of conservative supporters also rallied, opposing his impeachment. Both protests were peaceful but reflected a deeply divided nation. The brief imposition of martial law rattled financial markets and disrupted diplomatic activities, adding to the chaos.